We can talk about popcorn shrimp, butterfly shrimp, shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, shrimp jambalaya, shrimp and rice, shrimp etouffee, barbecued shrimp, boiled shrimp, broiled shrimp, baked, sauteed, pan-fried, deep-fried, stir-fried, air-fried, pineapple shrimp, lemon shrimp, coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp, shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes, shrimp burger, shrimp pizza, shrimp tacos, shrimp sandwich, shrimp on a stick, shrimp chow mein, shrimp lo mein. The possibilities are darn near endless. Friends, at John John's English Lesson City, every conversation lesson is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Let him have it. With no problem. I got my English lesson with no problem.